Welcome back to another tutorial on the Adobe Illustrator course for beginners. In this tutorial, we're going to look at typing text on a curved path. To do this, we're going to select the ellipsis tool, hold down the Shift key, and draw out a perfect circle. So with this selected, I want to add a stroke to this and remove the fill color. So we're left just the path. Now with this still selected, I'm going to the text tool and then click, hold and select the type on a path tool. This tool will allow you to type your text around this path. So just click anywhere on the path and then I can start typing my text. Now, good thing with this, you can still edit text from here. So if I select my text, I can come here and change the color, the font. You can see I have all these properties here, the font, the size and everything. So you can come around, look for the font, use a different font, increase the size, change the settings over here. So let's leave it at that. So that's one thing you can do. So in this, we've created text around a curve, but as you can see, it's not well set. So let's modify that. So select your text. You can see we have these three bars. Now I'm going to show you what each does, but these two acts as a text box for the text. So what happens is you click the first one, you drag it out. Now if the red icon appears, it shows that the text box doesn't have enough space for your text. So if you release this, your text will disappear. So Control Z, let's go back. Let's try the other one. So hold this one. Just make this large a little bit. So I'll pull this one like that, and then we can go in for the second one. And now you can move your text around the curve and choose what you want it to say. So I want it to be a talk like that. So that's the function of those two bars. If we select these tools, they act as a text box for this text. Now let me show you what the third one does. But first I'm going to select this and move it over here. Let's minimize this. So I'm going to create a second circle. Hold down Shift key. There we go. I want a fill and I want a stroke, and I'll remove the fill color so that I'm just left with the path. Again, I'm going to come to the text tool. Ensure that you've selected the type on a path tool. So click on that, click anywhere on your path, and then you can start typing. So okay, so I'm going to change the font. So you can change the font from here. Make sure you select your text first. Come over here. There we go. So I'm going to use that font for now. Now I showed you that we have these two, and these two are to assist with moving the text around. So click on this one. You have to be really keen when you're working with them. It can be a little bit tricky. So move this one first. Make this large a little bit, and then remove this other one. So we've created the first text. Now I want to create another text down here, but let me show you what happens if you were to do that directly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this. So I'll hold down Alt and click and drag, and I've duplicated it. I'm going to bring it down here and rotate it. So let me try and place it back here. Now you can see the text is not sitting well. So what I'll do, I'll use this one to move the text around. But the problem with this is that my text is inverted and I want it to be sitting inside the circle instead of outside. So this is where this third bar comes in. So remember we talked about these two. Let me just pull this out here. So we've already talked about these two acting as a text box. Now this bar will help you change or invert your text inside the circle. So all you have to do is just click on it and drag it inside, and then you release it. And you can see we've placed our text inside that circle. We'll take it, I put it here. Again, be really keen with this. They're really tricky to work with. So create the space first and then we go in with our text. And there we go, you've created text around a circular path, and then you actually learned how to invert this to move it from outside the curve to inside the curve without distorting anything. Again, you can change the fill color, you can change the font color. So you have something like that. So go ahead and have fun with this. Try and create something around a curved path, your name, a design, a logo. You can actually go ahead and use images, use other tools to create something really complex. But this was just to show you how to actually invert this text to write the text inside a circle and how to write text outside a curved path.